Hi, in this session, let us discuss how to divide fractions. Suppose I have two fractions 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. I want to divide these two. That means to say I want to divide this 1 by 2 to 3 by 4. How are we going to do this? Whenever we have a fraction in the denominator, we write this as we change the division to multiplication and write the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So the answer here is 1 times 4 by 2 times 3 is 4 by 6 or 2 by 3. 2 times 2 is 4. This is 3. That should give you 2 by 3. So whenever you are dividing two fractions, you convert the division sign into a multiplication sign by uh, changing the fraction in the denominator to its reciprocal. Right? Suppose I have two fractions like say 1 by 8 and I want to divide it into 1 by 2. How are we going to do this? We are going to write 1 by 8 in place of division, write multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 2 by 1. Now if you simplify this, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. So answer or your new fraction is 1 by 4. You understand? So whenever we are dividing a fraction, suppose I want to divide a fraction say 1 by 4 with a integer say 2. Now what we are going to do? We know that every integer can be written as a fraction. This we can write it as 2 by 1, and now we going to convert or change this division sign to multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator, or this second fraction when you're using this division symbol. That will give you 1 by 8, because 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 2 is 8. That should give you 1 by 8. You understand? Suppose I have a mixed fraction 1 by 2. Now I want to divide this by say 3. How am I going to do this? First convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. This is 3. 3 by 2, right? Plus divided by 3 by 1. 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. Now you can do the same procedure. Take 3 by 2 as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication sign by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction or the fraction in the denominator. This should give you 3 and 3 gets cancelled, leaving you with the new fraction 1 by 2. Understand? So dividing fractions is just simple. Convert the division sign into multiplication sign by taking reciprocal of the fraction that should be in the denominator. Let us now try to understand the concept behind this. Suppose I have a whole number 1. I want to divide this by 1 by 2. Now what do I mean by this statement 1 divided by 1 by 2? I mean to say that we divide this whole number 1 into or we divide this 1 means a whole object, isn't it? I want to divide a whole object into some parts, some number of parts, say n number of parts, such that each part value of each part is 1 by 2. How many are you going to get? You can divide one object into two parts, only two parts, such that each part will be 1 by 2. So when you are dividing 1 by 1 by 2, what I mean to say is we want to divide the whole into a number of equal parts such that each part is half of the whole. That is possible only when you have 2, isn't it? That is a reason. When do you get 2? 1 times 2 will give you 2. So that means 1 divided by 1 by 2 can be obtained by replacing this division sign by multiplication and taking the reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is 2. That's where you get 2. So the number of parts you get, one part. So you have 2 parts where each part is equal to half of the whole. You understand? Suppose I tell you 3 divided by 1 by 4. What do I mean by 3 divided by 1 by 4? I mean to say the number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of the 3 whole objects, see, I want to calculate the number of 1 by 4 parts obtained, number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of the 3 are divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. 1 by 4 equal parts means I am dividing this object into 4 parts. Each part will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and this is also 1 by 4. The second part also, the second whole also I am dividing into 4 equal parts, or number of equal parts with 1 by 4 value each. That is possible only when you are dividing it into 4 parts, isn't it? This is also 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So the number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of the 3 whole, these 3 whole, are divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. So how many parts have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally you got 12 such parts, isn't it? This is what you find out when you are actually dividing. 3 divided by 1 by 4, that means you can, how to obtain this mathematically, we are actually multiplying it by the reciprocal 4 by 1. 3 times 4 by 1 is nothing but 3 times 4, which is 12.